ma'am, teachers and all my friends. Today, we students of Standard 6 are going to present an activity on the topic motion and its types. I hope you all will enjoy this video. So first, we will see what is motion.
Hello friends, we the student of class 6 are presenting an activity on motion and its type. Introduction on motion. We see several objects in our day-to-day life like a house, a chair, a table, a clock, a running fan, a moving car, a ball, etc. Among these, some objects like a house, a chair, a table are at rest, and a moving car and a running fan are in motion. How do we decide whether an object is in motion or in rest? Let me see a car is moving on the road besides the trees. We notice that the car is not at the same place while the trees are at the same place. On the basis, we may decide where an object is at rest or in motion. Definition of motion. Motion is a change in position of an object with respect of time and its reference point. The object like moving fan and moving vehicles are said to be in motion as the object changes its position with respect of time. Now my friend will explain the types of motion.
Now friends, we will see what are types of motions.
Hello everyone, I am explaining about rectilinear motion. When a body moves along a straight path, it is said to be in rectilinear motion. You must have observed various objects in rectilinear motion around you. For example, a car moving along a straight path or a group of marching soldiers. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'll tell about rotational motion. When an object turns or spins on its fixed axis is called a rotational motion. Friends, have you ever seen a ball rolling on a ground or a moving wheel? Friends, have you ever noticed a moving blades of a fan? These all are the examples of a rotational motion. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am going to say about circular motion. It is the movement along the circumference of the circle. Motion of a toy train around a circular track, motion of a stone tilted to a spring are some examples of circular motion. The difference between circular motion and rotational motion is that in circular motion an object travels as a whole along a circular path, but in rotational motion the object spins on its own axis. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am going to explain about oscillatory motion. What is oscillatory motion? Oscillatory motion is defined as the flow motion of the objects from its main position. Friends, have you ever seen a clock or a spring or a child swinging on a swing? So these are only the examples of oscillatory motions. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am going to explain you periodic motion. Periodic motion is a type of motion where the object repeats its motion after a fixed interval of time. You may have seen periodic motion in your daily life, such as motion of a pendulum, motion of string of a guitar. Thank you.
So friends, I hope this video is helpful to you in understanding the topic, what is motion and its types. Thank you.